Hello and welcome to our video about the world's top 5 passenger ships. Today we'll be exploring these impressive vessels, including their passenger capacity, owner company, cost for tour, manufacturing year, fun facts, and much more. So let's get started. 1. Wonder of the Seas. Owned by Royal Caribbean International, the Wonder of the Seas is the largest cruise ship in the world. It has a passenger capacity of 6,988, making it an incredible feat of engineering. The ship was manufactured in 2022 and has 18 decks, 23 swimming pools, and a host of other amenities. The cost for a tour on the Wonder of the Seas varies depending on the itinerary, but it's generally around $1,000 per person. 2. Symphony of the Seas. The Symphony of the Seas is another Royal Caribbean International ship and was manufactured in 2018. It has a passenger capacity of 6,680 and is the second largest cruise ship in the world. It features a multitude of activities, including rock climbing, mini-golf, and an ice skating rink. A tour on the Symphony of the Seas costs around $1,200 per person. 3. Harmony of the Seas. Also owned by Royal Caribbean International, the Harmony of the Seas was manufactured in 2016 and has a passenger capacity of 6,780. It features an array of exciting activities such as a zip line, a water park, and a surf simulator. The cost for a tour on the Harmony of the Seas is around $1,100 per person. 4. Oasis of the Seas. The Oasis of the Seas was manufactured in 2009 and has a passenger capacity of 6,780. It's owned by Royal Caribbean International and features 7 distinct neighborhoods, including a central park with over 12,000 live plants. The cost for a tour on the Oasis of the Seas is around $1,000 per person. 5. Allure of the Seas. Manufactured in 2010, the Allure of the Seas is another Royal Caribbean International ship. It has a passenger capacity of 6,780 and boasts a variety of onboard activities, such as a zip line, a rock climbing wall, and a Broadway-style theater. A tour on the Allure of the Seas costs around $1,100 per person. Facts. The Royal Caribbean International ships were built by STX France, a shipbuilding company based in Saint-Nazaire, France. Each of these ships features a casino, several bars and lounges, and a variety of dining options. The Harmony of the Seas has a robot bartender named Bionic Bar, which can make over 1,000 drinks a day. The Symphony of the Seas has a 10-story slide called the Ultimate Abyss, which is the tallest slide at sea. The Oasis of the Seas has a 750-seat aqua theater, which hosts synchronized swimming and diving performances. That wraps up our video about the world's top 5 passenger ships. These incredible vessels offer an unmatched experience for passengers, with a range of activities and amenities to suit any taste. Whether you're looking for a family vacation or a romantic getaway, a tour on one of these ships is sure to be an unforgettable experience. Thank you for watching.